Charlie, can you tell us what you do at DMG MORI?
Yeah, of course. So I am the Marketing Assistant for DMG MORI UK. I plan events, work with the sales team, run the CRM database.
And you planned this event here at Farnborough then?
Yes, I did that with our global marketing team, put together the stand, the logistics and everything for everyone.
And what was your expectation from the show, and has that been delivered in the few days that you've been here?
So far, yeah, the expectation was high, I think, because it's one of the first exhibitions back properly since COVID, which has been nice, and the amount of people that have walked through has been really great to see. So I think the first few days that we've had have been really, really busy.
And do you like aircraft yourself?
I like going on holiday on aircrafts. Yeah, so I can't say that I don't, but it's interesting. It's really interesting to see the military side of things as well, because that's something that you don't get to see on a day-to-day basis.
And for those people that haven't been here, the aircraft that are outside, have you seen any of the things that they've been doing in the air or part of the air show, and are you able to describe so people might, well, wow, I'm going to come next time?
Yeah, I caught a bit of it yesterday, so I could stand in the sun, but they had an A350 going up nearly vertical, and then yeah, it was gravity defying. I couldn't really get my head around what they were doing for an A350. It was weird, very weird.
So you say you like flying, you wouldn't want to go on holiday on that then?
As long as there's a pilot that can fly it nicely, yeah, not a stunt pilot.
And marks out of 10 for your stand and the show so far this week then, Charlie? Been really good?
I probably would give it, I'd give it a 9 out of 10, yeah. A bit hot at some points, but I'd rather it be warm than freezing cold.
So with air conditioning, it would have made a 10?
Absolutely, air conditioning is the way forward.